Sushant Singh Rajput's family tree, because a lot of his relatives have now been caught up in this entire case and have been leveling one allegation after another. Let's break down for you Sushant's family tree. You have his father, Krishna Kumar Singh, who was the one who approached the Bihar police with that complaint. His mother, Usha Singh, passed away many years ago. Now, Sushant Singh Rajput has two siblings. That's Meetu Singh, who's based in Mumbai, and you have Priyanka in Delhi. And then you have O.P. Singh, who is in the Haryana police. He's an ADGP. He is Sushant Singh Rajput's brother-in-law. There are two characters here who you need to take note of. One is Meetu Singh. She's based in Mumbai. The allegation, according to Siddharth Pithani, who is Sushant Singh Rajput's friend, he claims that Meetu Singh had called him and told him to speak against Riya Chakrabarti. He's also named another person, and that is this person, O.P. Singh, who is in the Haryana police. Riya Chakrabarti has made a mention of his name in her petition in the Supreme Court. He is an ADGP in Haryana. So she claims that him being the brother-in-law of Sushant Singh Rajput is trying to influence the investigation, and that's why she states that because of all of these people, they can't be an impartial probe by the Bihar police. So these are the names that you have to keep in mind as we go along in this particular story and get you all the details with regards to the investigation and the charges that have been leveled also by Sushant Singh Rajput's family. Let's focus on the financial aspect of this particular case. And let me take this across to Pankaj. Pankaj, you were highlighting how the chartered account of Sushant Singh Rajput so far has refuted what the family has claimed. Sushant's father, in his complaint to the Bihar police, claimed that Sushant had 17 crores in his account. 15 crores was withdrawn and sent to different accounts, and he claims that none of these accounts have any link to Sushant Singh Rajput. As far as the chartered accountant goes, has he said that this money was present in the account and was transferred to some other accounts but weren't linked to Riya, or was it that there wasn't even 17 crores in Sushant's account?
Well, the revelations that have been made by Sushant Singh Rajput's chartered accountant are big. For one, he says that he has been handling the account for over a year. When Divesh Singh, our correspondent, specifically had asked him that whether the amount was there at all, or then he had said that as far as the account that he was seeing, such transactions or siphoning off, as it being alleged, never took place. If there are some other accounts, then he has no knowledge about them. That remains to be seen. He said that the police had asked him to come, give the details, register the statement that he has done, given the statement, and according to him, such a huge sum was not present in the late actor's account at the first place. So there was no question that around 15 crores would be transferred from his account. In fact, he goes on to say that around 33,000 were in fact transferred in his account from Riya Chakrabarti's mother's account. Plus, he says that the late actor, along with Riya Chakrabarti, of course, had their own lifestyle because they were Bollywood stars.
Yes.
So the expenses that are being seen in the accounts doesn't spring any surprise as such, because they were leading a lifestyle wherein they could spend lakhs of rupees. But
That's
saying
right.
that a huge chunk to the extent of 15 crores was siphoned off or transferred, he has completely rubbished aside this allegation.
Okay.
And that is why this brings a big question. If that is true, then on what basis has been filed in Patna, wherein Sushant Singh father alleges that such a huge sum was transferred?
So going by what the chartered accountant says, the allegations leveled by Sushant's family is yet to be proved at this point, is yet to have any sort of backing, because the CA is completely denied this particular financial angle.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.